Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well. This week, we're moving from race and ethnicity into sex and gender, which is another category, obviously, of status that we all hold within ourselves. We all have a sex and a gender, and how that affects our access to opportunity or either privileges us or disadvantages us has been kind of pretty clear throughout history. So you're going to watch these different videos and do you're going to watch Straight Laced, which is the film, which is here, but it's also in the module. And then you're going to respond, and you're going to do the reading, and then you're going to respond to your two classmates and put your original post in. Gender is probably one of my favorite topics in sociology, just because if we think about gender as something that kind of cuts across all other things in our lives, we can see it for what it really is, which is, a stratifying element of ourselves. And so think about gender as something that kind of informs basically everything we do. So for those of you that were in the gender class with me last semester, you know that gender kind of just really shapes how we sit, how we talk, how we dress, my mannerisms, the things I do, and I don't even notice it because I've been so conditioned to act like the gender that I identify as. So it might be fun to kind of just question yourself, like, is that a gendered behavior? Why am I doing that? So anyways, it's curious, it's interesting, fascinating actually. So enjoy digging into gender, and I look forward to seeing your responses, and I hope everybody is well. Take care.